Hello everybody, this is Nora with NAQ57, and yes, here I am with the third different style LED lamp that I have to review for you. And this one is a mini, so it's a SUNmini LED nail lamp, and this is a 6-watt lamp. And believe it or not, guys, I've had a few of these and they do cure gels. Yes, they are. Now this one is super cute, but don't let the picture deceive you. The one in the packaging is not pink, it's white. But take a look at the shape. Yes, it has that scallop shape to it. Let me go ahead and remove it from the package. And this lamp, it's just under $8, also on Amazon. I will have the link down in the description bar below. And this is perfect for travel. As you can see, it folds flat and it comes with an USB cord. The USB cord is 30 inches, so just short of 3 feet long. Okay, you will need the adapter to plug it in. Let me go ahead and plug it in, and we'll go ahead and take this out of the bag. And with this little lamp, I know it could be deceiving and that you might not believe how well this something this little can cure, but so I am going to give this a test curing some black gel polish. Let me go ahead, and I do, from having others, guys, I will let you know, so I do use something to snap. So here's the little feet, they snap off. Because the little plastic hinges here, they're very vulnerable to breaking, so I will say be very gentle when you snap them. Do not use your nails. As you can see, it has 6 LEDs. But yes, this can be used so as a lamp like this. For you can cure 4 fingers at a time and then do your thumb, or you can just keep the legs down and you can use it like this. Or maybe if you can fold your thumb in, depending on how you can do that, you can do all 5 fingers. But they're really good for fast or flash curing when you're doing somebody else's nails as well. When you're doing certain arts, sometimes it's good to have that flash curing for a few seconds. So here's where the USB cord plugs into. Let's make sure we get it in there the right way. So the button here, there is no instruction manual with this lamp, but the button here defaults to it's 1 minute, so 60 seconds, and that's all you have. So, and that should be probably the minimum that you will want to cure any gel polish with a 6-watt lamp. Now let's go ahead and give this a test with a black polish. Okay, so that just cured for 1 minute under this 6-watt lamp, and let me just test it out and see just on the side here. And okay, so it's not cured. I can still take it off. Let's go ahead and try another minute. Okay, so that 1 minute completed. Let's check it out again. Let's try another side here. And yes, that did it. Okay, good. So, and this is, remember, this is the first coat of that black. So yes, keep in mind that dark colors like deep reds, burgundies, navies, and blacks, they will take longer to cure. So give them 2 minutes under this 6-watt lamp. Let me go with the second coat here. Okay, that marks the end of our 2nd minute with this swatch. Let's check it out and see. Let's start on the side. And yes, the second coat is cured. Okay, there. Yeah, so it is cured now. So yes, I will definitely suggest 2 minutes on this, which is the default setting on the 6-watt lamp, for any dark colors such as blacks, navies, burgundies, and reds. So yeah, and now I think these will make a cute little gift for younger girls who are starting to do, you know, nails, for those of you that approve. And maybe you are just do the light colors like light pinks or nudes, and it will still do well. And just to show you, to give you an idea, let me show you next to my phone. This is probably, yeah, it's actually smaller than my phone. Check it out. So that gives you an idea in size. And this is currently under $8 on Amazon, and I will have the link down in the description bar below. If you guys have questions about this one, leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. I hope you guys enjoyed my review. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.